Okay, good morning to all of you. So today I will show you a video on Microsoft PowerPoint shortcut keys. Okay, already know that Microsoft PowerPoint is a slide presentation software. It is used to present the slides whenever you want to present any slides. Okay, for this we have to know the shortcut keys. Also, Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the package in the Microsoft Office. So in this video I will show the shortcut keys are from Control A to Control Z by explaining each and everyone how you have to use. Okay, first one is the Control plus A, select all. Okay, I will create one. So now here there are three slides are there. Instead of selecting individual, I want to select all the three slides at a time. Then you have to press the Control plus A. If you observe here, all three slides are selected. Okay, in this way you can use the select all. So you can select all means it will select our entire paragraph or text, whatever you want to select. You can select by using the Control plus A. Coming to the second one, Control plus B. So here this bold and combination is this italic and underline. These are three very important to bold, to italic, underline. It is in the menu bar. So for example here I will take one new slide. Okay, now I am typing bold, italic, underline. So for example Control plus B, you have to press Control plus B. Now if you observe here, it will enable B, Control plus B. So I want to make italic, Control plus I, it will italic. Suppose if you want to underline any word, you can underline, Control plus U. If you want to remove underline, again you have to press on the Control U. Suppose shortcut key also, or if already it is selected, Control U, again you have to remove, again you have to press the same key to remove the line. Suppose it is bold, again if you want to remove the bold, again you press Control plus B, it will remove the bold. So in this way you can use Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus U, bold, italic, underline. Next, copy. So this is very important. So whatever the you take the software, we have to use three things. Clipboard, what you call clipboard. So in many competitive exams, what are the three options present in the clipboard means you have to select tell, copy, cut, paste. Here I will show these are the three. This is very important. Copy, cut and paste. Okay, so first one is the Control plus C, copy. First one is the Control plus C, copy. Here I will show. So this is the copy. Control plus C, copy, and Control plus V, paste, and Control plus X, cut. So these three combination is now will show. So if you want, I want to copy this one. So Control plus C you press, and here you want to paste, Control plus V, or else you can use this also, pasting you can use. So I want to cut, AST, only AST I want to cut, Control plus X, you can use Control plus X, or else you can use the Caesar icon. Okay, here it is there, cut, both you can use, or else you can use right click the mouse, you can cut. In this way you can use the copy, cut and paste. So this is cut, copy, paste. So coming to the D, Control plus D, duplicate slide. So here this I want to make without typing. This slide I want to make this slide copy. Suppose here it is there, I have typing. Instead of that I want to make this one copy. So just you click and you select the duplicate slide. If you observe here, both are same. So in this way you can create the duplicate slide by pressing the Control plus D. You can select Control plus D. Next is the Control plus E. So this is very important. So there are in MS Office or MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, there are 4 alignments are there. This you have to remember. These questions will be asked in the competitive exams. Okay, ALIGNMENTS alignments are there. That one is the left alignment, right alignment, first after left center alignment will be there, and right alignment will be there, and comma and justify. So these are the four alignments. These are the four alignments. So this is the, suppose I will show by taking another example. This is the text. Now I want to make this text, this is the text I want to make center. Just you click on the center. Now this is in the center alignment. I want to make left alignment, I want to make right alignment, I want to make justify element. It will be here only. Okay, suppose if it is in right alignment, just you select the text and you press Ctrl plus L. It will come to the left alignment, Ctrl plus E center alignment, and Ctrl plus R right alignment, and Ctrl plus J is the justify alignment. Here it is there, center alignment Ctrl plus E, and left alignment Ctrl plus L, and J also Ctrl plus J, and Ctrl plus R. These are the four alignments you have to remember. Okay, next coming to the find. Okay, suppose here you want to find something, Control plus F, copy I want to find. So it will go. Suppose here two words are there, copy. Here also the word, copy is there. I want to find. See here, whenever where is the copy word is there, it is showing the word. In this way you can find the copy also. Okay, find out. Next is coming to the group. So this example I will show you. So I am taking a new slide. Here I am taking new slide, and here I will add some objects here and make them in the group. Okay, so just you go to insert and you take the shapes. Here you can find the shape. This I am taking a triangle. So these three I want to make, and this one, and this also I am taking. So these are the different objects are there. Then I want to make them into one. So these are one, this is individual, and this is individual, and this is individual. So I want to make them into that. So you press Control plus with Control, and you press Control G. Now it will become the group. So if you move, it will move all this one. So Control plus G, group, you can create, make the group. Next is the replace. Okay, replace, I will tell you an example. Here I will type so here I will type one text. Monday is a holiday. On Monday we can enjoy. Monday is school not there. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Instead of Monday I want to make Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. On Sunday we can enjoy, and Sunday school is not there. For this you press Control plus H. If you observe here, replace word is there. First you have to type wherever the Monday word is there, that Monday should become the Sunday, and you have very care spelling, you have to type as it is. Okay, Monday. Okay, then I want to replace with the Sunday. Wherever the Monday word is there, it will replace the R word. If you observe here, there are four replacement are there. 1, 2, 3 are there. So replace all. If you have to click the replace all. So here 3. PowerPoint has finished searching the present text. Now coming to the second one, so hyperlink. So we will show the how to use the hyperlink. If you observe here, there are 5 slides are there, 1 2 3 4 5. So in this example, I'm taking only the 5 slides are there. In your daily life, you came across the many of the slides are there. Okay, now uh, presently I'm in the fifth slide. So if here 5 slides means is okay. Suppose if we have 50 slides are, it is very impossible to which slide is there. Suppose I want to go directly to the this slide, okay, instead of going numbers, and always you can give the numbers also, date also to your slide. So if you observe here, I am putting the date, okay, and slide number also. How you have to give? So go to the insert, and here click on the slide number, okay. So update automatically, you select the format, the slide, and you click here the slide number. You can give the slide number, okay, and you click the apply to all, it will go. Okay, now directly I want to go to the slide 2. Just what you have to do, you select this one and press Ctrl plus K. So it will show the insert hyperlink, and you select the slide 2. Which slide you want to take? In this example, I am taking the slide 2. Just you click the OK. If you observe here, this is the slide 1, and this is the slide 2, this is the slide 3, this is the slide 4, and this is the slide 5. Now I am presenting the presentation 1 2 3 4 5. So instead of going 5 4 3 2 1, just if you click here, it will get directly go to the slide 1. See here, it is going to the slide 2. Okay, in this way you can use the hyperlink. Okay, so once again I will tell hyperlink. So slide 2, it is there. Here I am giving the slide 2. If you click here, slide 2, it will go to the directly. In this you can use the Control plus K as hyperlink. Next, Control plus S already discussed, left alignment, right alignment, center. So this is important, Control plus M. So instead of selecting new slide, you press with your shortcut key Control plus M. Shortcut key Control plus M is new slide. Okay, so this is Control plus M. Then so coming to this one, new. So you want to create a new presentation, so you go to here and you select the new, and here you select the create button. It will create the new one. So this remember that in exams or any question, they will ask what is the difference between the Control plus M and Control plus N. So both are new slide, but Control plus N, it will open the new presentation, remember, and Control plus M will create the new slide in the presentation. So that is the difference. So do not confuse. Control plus M is used to insert new slide in the presentation, and Control plus N is used to open the new PowerPoint presentation. And here I am saving Control plus S. So after this I want to save, just go to this one, or just you press the Control plus S. Okay, Control plus S. So it will ask the name. So I request the, so don't save the desktop, you save this on the, so already it is saved. I want to rename, Control plus yes. So desktop, don't save on the desktop, for demo purpose only I'm saving here. So save, yes, Control plus yes is the save. Okay, save as means you can rename. So Control plus N, Control plus U, and if you want to print, so you press print. To print the slide, just Control plus P. So if your printer is attached to a CPU or laptop, you can take the printer. See here, I will show offline means printer is not there. If it is there, okay, it will show the ready. Okay, you can print the slide also. So it will show the different which print you want to. So full page slides or one page slides, 1 2 3 like that it will ask. So first 2 slides, here 6 slides are there. You want to here I will show. So if you want to only first and second slides, like that you can give. So Control plus P is printer. Okay, so right alignment, save. This is Control plus T to change the font. Okay, here it is there, font. I want to change the font or color. Okay, here for example I will show. This right is there, I want to change the color. Control T you press, this is a font dialog box. So this is same. So color, so here I will select the color red, example. Now here it is there. Okay, these are control, these font and control plus T both are save, and underline also say paste and close if you want to close the presentation. So before closing that, make sure you have to save the presentation. Now I am closing. Okay, so it will ask you, do you want to save the changes you made to? Yes. So save. Now I will open control plus U. So you go to file. So this is the control plus U, open, and control plus O, already existing, open. So the file extension of the PowerPoint is PPT for for the 97 to 2003, and if you old is there, if it is 2010 PowerPoint, PPTX advanced, PPT and PPTX. So they will ask the difference between what is the PPT and PPTX. PPT means it will old one, old version, it will open the 97 to 2003 MS Office. If it is above 2003, PPTX will be there. Okay, coming to the paste, close, cut, redo, undo. Suppose here I make them same position. So you go to the file, home, undo, redo. So you press the control plus Y. So I'm by mistakenly I typed. Now I want to undo, control plus Z, undo. So again control plus Y. It will use the control plus Z, undo and redo. So you can use this way. You can learn all the shortcut keys. Once again I will read. Select control plus A, select all, B bold, C copy, D duplicate, E center element, find, G for group, H for replace, I for italic, J for justify, K for hyperlink, L for left alignment, M for insert new slide, control plus N, new it is there. I forgot to type here, new, it is in capital letters. Okay, new, and control O open, P for print, control plus Q it is not there. I search many of the websites for control plus Q. If it is there, please inform me or comment me so that I can add. Okay, control plus R, write, save, font window, underline, paste, close, control plus X cut, control plus Y redo, and control plus Z undo. Okay, so in this way we can learn all the PowerPoint shortcut keys. So thank you for watching my video. Please like my video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.